so their work is completely dependent on us, the pro-life community. Consider giving a gift to Preborn, a tax-deductible one. $28 is the cost of one ultrasound. 5 ultrasounds cost $140. But whatever you can provide can truly save babies' lives. Go online to preborn.com/buck or use your cell phone, dial pound 250, say the word baby. From your phone, dial pound 250, say the word baby, or if you want to donate online, go to preborn.com/buck, sponsored by Preborn.
Making sense in an insane world.
Clay Travis and Buck Sexton.
Live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. KFBK, Sacramento's news radio.
If you own a small business, you know the value of time. GetRefunds.com does too. That's why they've made it easy, no matter how busy you are, to apply for the Employee Retention Credit, or ERC. Go to GetRefunds.com to get started, and in less than 8 minutes, see if your business qualifies for ERC assistance. Your business may be eligible for a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee kept on payroll during COVID-19. GetRefunds.com has already helped clients claim over $3 billion in payroll tax refunds through the ERC, and they may be able to help your business too. There's no upfront charge either. They don't get paid until your business gets its refund. Many businesses believe they won't qualify based off of incomplete or outdated information. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, because this payroll tax refund is only available for a limited time. Go to GetRefunds.com. That's GetRefunds.com.
Guys, did you know your testosterone affects everything in your system, including how you feel and perform every day? Right now, Revive Men's Health Sacramento will check your testosterone for free. Knowing your T levels is the first step in understanding if you have low T. Your testosterone level impacts your energy, libido, sleep, weight, hair loss, mood, and even ED. Maintaining an appropriate T level can change your whole life. Most men start to see changes in their hormone levels in their 30s. Experience and results matter, so what are you waiting for? Get your T levels checked today by local, experienced, and trusted men's health experts. They've helped thousands of men since 2011. They're so confident they can help you, they even guarantee it. Call Revive today. Schedule your free testosterone test, free exams, and free consultation. Call Revive Men's Health at 916-277-8599. That's 916-277-8599. Or visit ReviveMen'sHealth.com.
I have 2 dogs, Sam and Bailey. Both are golden retrievers. Poor Sam, he was a mess. Always itching, paws were soaking wet all day from just constant licking. He had bald spots on his back. I just don't like putting toxin steroids into your dog all the time. DINOVITE. That Dynavite gives nutrition. Probably 2 weeks after he started Dynavite, I started seeing 3 improvements, and today 99% of his issues are non-existent. It's amazing stuff. Bailey has been 12 weeks old. He's been a Dynavite dog, and he has 0 issues today. He won't eat his food without Dynavite. When I get out the Dynavite, my dogs actually salivate like I'm getting them a treat. They drool over it. Dynavite is the best thing you can do for your dog.
Don't believe how happy your dog will be.
I get my Dynavite from DINOVITE.com.
Great news from Billy's RV. You see at Billy's RV, all remaining 2022 models must go, so no reasonable offer will be refused. Simple as that. Just find the model you want and make a reasonable offer. Billy's RV will make it happen. Tell them John McGinnis sent you.
KFK wants to help you deal with inflation. Coming up before the news at the bottom of the hour. Chance to win $1,000 to help beat inflation. 12 chances a day. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Thank you so much. By listening to KFK.
KFBK News Radio.
Coming up before the news at the bottom of the hour.
Stuff's more expensive.
Listen for your keyword to win. Thank you so much. A chance to win $1,000 to help beat inflation. 12 chances a day. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. By listening to KFBK.
Sam Shane, the KFBK Morning News on KFBK News Radio.
Welcome back in, Clay Travis, Buck Sexton Show. We're going to be joined by our friend Carol Markowitz here at the bottom of the hour. down in my notes. Carol will be with us. She lives now in Florida, has left the New York Post. And we're going to maybe have dinner and drinks with some people in the Florida universe that have relocated. We're going to be along with our friend Dave Rubin, for those of you out there who are fans of his. The Rubin Report on Rumble, I believe, live right after we finish this show around, 4 o'clock Eastern. So I don't have the Freedom Squad together tonight to toast whatever's left of America. But Florida's doing well. Florida's doing well. Miami, I can't believe the amount of cranes all over this place. Everything's being built. The problem with Florida or Miami is you can't afford to live here anymore.
Who keeps calling? Damn. Where that is? They need to stop calling. They call every damn day now.